Two people, same income, same job, same age. Person A saves every single dollar they can, never touches a stock, never opens an investing app.
By 60, they're proud. They've got a solid pile of cash sitting in the bank. Person B saves less on paper, but puts most of it into the market instead.
Different accounts, different habits. 30 years later, one of them retires comfortable. The other one is still working. Here's the twist. It's not the person who saved the most who wins. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why and which bucket your money should actually be sitting in. My name is Jack. If you want your money to actually grow instead of just sit there, hit subscribe, because today we're settling this once and for all. Saving versus investing, and which one actually makes you rich. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. Saving money feels productive. It's the slowest path to wealth. That's the difference between your money shrinking and your money multiplying. Let's make this concrete. Say you have $20,000. If you leave it in a savings account earning 1%, in 20 years you'll have around $24,400. If you invest that same $20,000 at an average 9% return, in 20 years you'll have roughly $112,000. Same starting amount, same 20 years. One path leaves you with an extra $4,400. The other leaves you nearly 6 times richer. This is the part most people never see clearly. Because savings account growth is boring and invisible, while investment growth compounds, meaning your gains start generating their own gains. Small differences early on turn into
massive differences later. If the math is this obvious, why do so many people never invest? 2 words: fear and comfort.
Saving feels safe because you can see the number. It doesn't move. It doesn't drop 8% on a bad news day. Investing, on the other hand, feels unpredictable. And unpredictability is uncomfortable, even when it's statistically the better long-term decision. But here's what nobody tells you. Saving and investing aren't actually rivals. They're teammates. The real question isn't which one should I choose. It's what is each one for? Think of it like this. Saving is your shield. It protects you from emergencies, job loss, medical bills, and short-term needs. It should never be risked, because you might need it tomorrow. Investing is your engine. It's for money you won't need for years. Money whose entire job is to grow, ride out ups and downs, and build real wealth over time. The mistake most people make is treating these two like the same bucket. They either save everything and miss out on growth, or invest everything and get wiped out. The moment life throws a curveball, the wealthy don't pick one, they build both, with clear roles for each. Here's the simple system to know which one your money should go into. Step 1. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund first. This lives in a savings account. Non-negotiable. This is your shield, and it's what stops you from panic selling investments when life gets messy. Step 2. Anything beyond that, emergency fund goes toward investing. Once your safety net exists, keeping large amounts of extra cash in savings is actually costing you money through inflation. Step 3. Start with simple, diversified investments. You don't need to pick individual stocks or time the market. Low-cost index funds, mines that track the overall market, have historically outperformed most clever strategies because they're diversified and remove the guesswork. Step 4. Automate it. The people who build the most wealth aren't the smartest investors, they're the most consistent ones. Set up automatic monthly contributions and let compounding do the heavy lifting. You might be thinking, but what if the market crashes right after I invest? Fair question. Markets do crash. It's happened many times throughout history, and it will happen again. But here's the part that changes everything.
If you're investing consistently over years, a crash isn't a disaster, it's a discount. Your monthly contributions buy more shares when prices are low,
which historically leads to stronger returns once the market recovers. The investors who lose money aren't the ones who experience a downturn. They're the ones who panic and pull out at the bottom. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. So, saving versus investing. Which one actually makes you rich?
The honest answer? Neither one alone. Saving keeps you safe. Investing makes you wealthy. You need saving to survive the short term and investing to win the long term.
The people who build real financial freedom aren't choosing between the two. They're using saving as their foundation and investing as their growth engine at the same time. Is most of your money sitting in savings, or is it already invested? Let me know in the comments.